Bago tayo mag-umpisa, baka pwede nyong i-like ang video na to. Malaking bagay ang like sa aming mga content creators. Maraming salamat po.
Hoy!
Sino?
Jason. Hoy!
Hayop ka talaga! Ang ganda mong lalaki!
Hoy!
Sino?
Jason. Hoy!
Ano wala pa ba? Araw ng lugar po iyo to? Sayo! Sayo to! Wala! Wait lang. Okay na pa. Kami jacket ng event. Ikaw, bakit yan? Ano kay jacket ka? Oh, yes daw! Oh my God! Alam mo yung vloggers daw po. Si fake vloggers, ano ka? Wait lang. Gagawin mo na para klaro tayo. No, Alvin! Wait lang. No, kasi marami maklaro ba? Hindi kasi ang nangyari is nandito kami, hindi ko sila inaway. I don't even know him. That's why I want to ask. Okay, I don't even know him. Pumunta siya dyan siya. I even thank him sa bravery. Lahat tayo, I did not even know. That's fine. That's why I want to ask. We were shocked. Group kami kasi kami ng comments. This is also my opinion. Then who are you? So who are you? Who are you? I'm Tia Moran and who are you? I am dead. No one even knows you.
I know that. Pero ako naman kasi yung issue sa akin is why I didn't say that I called. Pero kasi...
Dead.
Wait lang, Tio. Pasalita mo na, Tio. Ako ba ako masakit na wait lang?
After the moderation issue, kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo,
Kainis. Nabibideo pa mga kulto nila. There's already a division her versus her.
Because I wanted to make sure, I wanted to
Ano, ginakulbaan man pa si Mimat? Ano man ikaw, Mimat?
Nakakakaba kayo?
I never used that as an issue kasi I was not part of it.
Honest, it's a message, it's a private conversation. Parang I don't know what you mean. That's my opinion and that's my take. What an argument. Very elementary.
Kailangan ba ito? Okay, sir.
Headline bukas, mga ADS nag-away-away sa ano, sir. Diba? Hinahal ka mo ng maayos, ng maayos. Wala, kalma lang.
If you will not stay united,
I don't have to create division. Why? It's not meant for this world. It's a hospital.
Mas open ang sa akin talaga. Yung sinabi mo na you hijack the event. Why would you hijack the Duterte event?
How would I hijack your event? How
You
did I?
said it yourself! Then why are you saying that you haven't hijacked the event?
And now we're still going away from the basic line. Are we here for Rodrigo or are we here to make discussion about nothing? So that's what I'm asking you. Are you making discussion about nothing? Or are you here and to go out from our side? So let's go from...
Oh my God, you guys don't have the best debaters in town.
No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm asking you, is this the main cause why we're here? Should we be divided over futility?
Kasi Philippine started when the private conversation.
Is it my fault? Is it my fault when they posted the private conversation without my consent? Answer. Is it my fault when they posted a private conversation without consent?
It's very rhetorical, so I'm not going to answer it.
Yes or no?
The question is, why would this
Yes, it's not my fault.
And also expressing,
No, of course not.
it's expressing
No,
personal
kasi nga
feelings.
gang, I wanted to point this out because it's very sad. We are here for PRRD. No, for me. Okay, we are here for PRRD and then all of these side comments, hijacking, this one. What do you want to go? Di ba sa ikaw, sa ikaw?
Okay, attorney.
All of you supporters of Tatay Digong.
But indeed, what is the messaging that we're trying to show the world when the supporters are quarreling among themselves?
Correct.
Who will benefit from this? It's the Marcos administration.
Correct.
Marcos aside.
That's why I'm one of your Duterte 10. I'm so saddened with what I've personally witnessed.
Witness right now.
I appeal to all of you. Let's be one.
Let's
Let's
go
go for the win.
Attorney, can I say something? We wanted to unite, but for the likes of them, they believe them like, or the likes of person, ganito, ganyan. What is
No,
that?
no, it's like this. My suggestion to everybody. Sometimes we cannot force friendship.
Thank you, sir. Exactly, that's the point. That is the point.
We cannot force friendship, but let's try to respect each other.
Exactly, sir.
If there is a situation where you really do not want to talk with the
Okay lang ba si
person,
Satya?
just stay at distance.
Exactly.
Because we cannot force. So, if this is here, although I was thinking that the Duterte Street is such a long street, it's just this.
No,
So,
correct.
if we cannot stay united, let's respect each other. Stay in one place, the other group stays in the other place.
Let it be.
Don't let the other one hear each other or insult each other.
Yes.
Please be respectful. The whole Philippines is watching us, especially the Duterte supporters. What kind of messaging are we showing everybody
Correct.
if we are not united?
Correct.
Please, all of you are our friends.
I understand. Si Jazz is saying that I could have
Sorry po, sir.
Pero parang anyway, wala na akong magagawa. It's done. Parang
Pero look at this.
already hit on each other.
All over the world, come here and be united. Then I personally witness this. So, please, even if we have personal opinions against another person, let's be more patient and keep it to ourselves. Yung tao nakakulong doon na sa walang sala. So please, let us sacrifice our personal feelings. No? For all. Yes. Attorney Roque is here. Mahirap rin sitwasyon ni Attorney Roque.
Yeah.
Malayo sa pamilya. No? So, intindihin rin natin si Attorney Roque. Nobody is perfect.
Si Sir lagay binabanatan nyo.
Ang lahat. Let's respect each other. Kung talagang hindi natin. So, this is a dress all. Okay? I hope that after this, there is hope. Yung iba sa amin, sa Duterte 10, takot makisali dito kasi baka madamay raw. Damay ng buong Duterte supporters dahil tumatak-watak. Please, let's sacrifice our personal feelings for the benefit of the bigger cause. And the bigger cause is we bring back Tatay Digong home.
Amen!
The bigger cause is we put a good president by 2028. And the bigger cause is for us to have leaders that will bring development and peace to our country.
Agree!
I think you were there. I was there when part of the organizing team.
Naman.
And kayo, nakikita yung
Baka ako nga naghawa sa'yo.
agents.
Baka ako naghawa sa'yo. Pagaling na ako ngayon. Ngayong inawa kita.
Those were
Pero
the
meron pa.
accusations levied at us. We didn't make battle for that. We didn't make battle for so many. I can afford this travel. Pero when yung pinagsasabi nila sa akin, I can't shout by Marcos resign. I was there when Basil shouted Marcos resign. We were there doing the narrative for Marcos to resign, to impeach Marcos and everything. Pero kung may mga tao dito na nag-argue sa akin, tapos organic Duterte supporters, double agent, fake Duterte supporters, ina talaga.
Lahat tayo may feelings. The one thing that unites us is our love of country. And love of country.
Lahat yan.
And
Ito yung ginawa nila sa akin kumba. Hindi na pwede mahumay pinakain ko.
Pangulo si
Tapos lechon na naman.
Now,
Nag-apologize si Giselle. Pero nakuha sila on camera, nag-reverse pa sila. Backstage. Ano ba yan?
pag ganito nangyayari, this actually exemplifies what's happening now to the Philippines. Watak-watak ang Pilipinas. Pati ba naman ng oposisyon, watak-watak? So please, ang personal feelings natin, isakripisyo natin for the bigger cause. It applies to all. Hindi lang sa isang grupo, sa pangalawang grupo. Now, avoid yung pang-insulto sa kasama natin ng mga DDS o sa kasama natin ng mga ISO, sa kasama nating PDP laban. What do we benefit kung mang-insulto tayo sa isa? So, please, let's unite our fight. I appeal to everybody. Sana, no? Uwi na ako bukas.
I really
Uwi na. Tayo uwi rin marami. Ang mga Pilipino na nandito sa The Netherlands, salamat sa hospitality ninyo. Salamat sa humba. Talagang nakita ko yung humba. Why do we fight about the humba? Mas malaki yung kinakaharap natin na laban. Eleksyon. So, ang bababaw natin.
Correct.
Bababaw natin.
About the humba and the
Tayo mababaw. Kaya, baguhin natin yan. We have bigger fights. So,
Huwag niyong gawing issue. Di naman kailangan.
Hurry up is one shit.
Are you gonna fix this thing today?
Hindi. Wala kasi akong kasalanan sa kanila. Bakit na ako inaaway?
Mas ang Pilipinas, kailangan natin ipaglaban ng lahat. Sandali
Damay-damay. Ay, gusto rin mo?
Saglit.
Sakit.
Hoy!
Pao, the video, Pao. Pao, the video. Okay lang.
Hoy!
Sino?
Jason. Hoy! Kuya, layo. I-close ko na to. Ayoko ng ganito.
Ayaw. Ano ma, sawayin mo na, huwag nang magmagmula. Kasi nakapalit din. No.
Tourist na eh.
Please lang. Okay.
Sa lumang silid, mag-isa kang tahimik. Walang kamera, palakpak ay wala na. Ngunit sa bawat pader ng bayang iniwan mo, may pangalan mong di na mabubura. Minsan kang naging balikat ng mahihina, kalaban ng takot, kakampi pero tumindi ka nang walang pag-atras. At ngayong pagod ka na, tatay, kami naman ang sasalo ng bawat bigat. Hanggang sa dulo, ikaw ay mahal. Kahit papagod na ang iyong katawan. Tatay, salamat sa iyong paglaban. Ngayon, kami naman hanggang sa dulo. Di ka namin iiwan. Ang kwento mo'y dala ng bayan. Tahimik ka na sa mga batikos. Wala nang tugon, wala nang galit, pero sa mata ng mga maralita, naroon pa rin ang tapat mong alaala. Marami mang di nakaintindi, marami pa rin ang di nakakalimot. At ngayong wala ka ng kapangyarihan, tatay, ang magtatanggol sa'yo ay hindi ka nag-iisa kahit ngayon. Hanggang sa dulo, tangan ka pa rin sa puso ng batang minsan mong pinagkain. Hanggang sa dulo, di ka nag-iisa. Ang dasal ng bayan ay sa'yo pa rin. Katay, kami naman ang lalaban sa ngalan mo, sa alaala mo. Hanggang sa dulo, dalangin ka ng puso ng masa.
At yun na nga mga kababayan, ano na ang masasabi mo? Kung mayroon kayong hinaing at komento patungkol sa balitang ito, please comment down below. Pag-uusapan natin yan sa comment section. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang video, ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at i-share na din para mas marami pang makaalam at umabot ito sa marami sa ating mga kababayan. Maraming salamat po.
Mabuti pa ang sardinas, may label. Eh tayo, wala.
Oo nga pala.
Nay, ito na yung bayad ko sa isa, ano? O, kunin mo yung isa. Isa muna, iyan, no? Tapos, isa pa, di ba? 4 dapat na sardinas, eh. O, yan. 3 na. Pang-4 na sardinas. O, okay na.